Hello, my name is Shellee Howard, and I am the founder and CEO of College Ready. I am super excited to share something that I've dreamt of doing for many years, and that is putting together and inspiring your teenager to not only participate, but help create a passion project. And I'm going to do this in a master class. So every week, I'm going to meet with students across the United States and potentially global and help them to one, find their passion. You may think, well, that's pretty easy. They know what they love, but do they really? And then I'm going to lead them weekly into learning about things, not only about themselves, but help them to understand how they can create change in the world. So, do you know or have a student that is feeling stuck, lonely, frustrated, overwhelmed, spends too much time on their phone, is lacking inspiration or motivation, does not know where to start or how to create their future plans? What is a good college fit? How to pick a major, college, or career? I am personally going to lead them through this process. We have some special guests of students who are doing great things right now, research projects, internships, global passion projects. So if you have a student or know somebody who would like to be part of this masterclass, it is $25. And we are also scholarshiping students who cannot afford it. So if you know someone who needs the foundation or just the gentle nudge to get started, how to find their passion, what would they like to see changed in the world? Understand how to brainstorm and get out of the I can't mode. Create a mission statement. It's like their very first business. I will help them do all of that. And then we'll jump into the creation phase, leadership skills, how to lead others to create change, a step by step plan where we guide them through what needs to happen when with accountability. We are one of the few people who are certifiers for the Congressional Award and the Presidential Award. And we want to certify their hours so they can be a nationally recognized service student. We're going to help them to learn how to track, to certify, and to prove. Did you know that schools are now asking students to prove what they've done? We're going to help them to find volunteers to support them, how to start small but grow big, and then ultimately use this experience to write an amazing essay. This is the process that I've used for hundreds of students all over the globe. This is the same thing that helped my son get into Harvard. If you or somebody you know could use this information, please share. There's a link below if you would like to sign up. Thank you so much. And we hope we can inspire your student to graduate debt free.